Okay, so this is our UI, and we have the server requests down here for this demo. And I'm going to start by demonstrating how to upload datasets. So if I upload a dataset that I'll name large, and I'll choose an appropriate file, then it should tell me that the dataset has been uploaded, and it should display down here, and you can see the request as well. And then if I upload a dataset with a different ID, it'll be the same dataset for this demo. It should also upload it successfully and display it down here. And then if I try to upload a dataset with the same ID, it should now tell me that I already have a dataset with this ID, so I won't upload it. And then if I try to upload a dataset with an underscore, then it should tell me that it can't do that. And if I try to upload a room dataset with a file that is meant for sections, then I should also get an error for this. And then if I see if I use a correct file, then it should give me a success message, and then you'll see it displayed down here. And then once I get to removing datasets, if I remove a dataset for an ID that doesn't exist, I should get an error. And if I do remove a dataset that exists, then I should get a success message, and it'll be removed from the list. And then next I'm going to demonstrate the 3 available queries and how they work. So we have the chance to view the top 15 sections by average in a given department. And we also have a chance to view the number of sections offered in a course yearly and the historical average of a course. And you just need to fill in the data here. So for the first query, you only need to provide the department and the dataset ID. And if I don't provide either of those, I should get a message when I try to query, like this. So then let's say I'll provide a valid department such as computer science. It should still tell me that I need a dataset ID. And let's say I provide an invalid dataset ID, such as the one I just deleted. It should also tell me that I can't use that ID. And then finally, if I use a valid ID, I should get a histogram of the historical, that is not the historical averages, that is the top 15 sections. And you can hover over and see the averages for those sections as well. And then for the next query, I also need to fill in a course number, and if I don't, I should get an error. So if I provide it with an invalid course number, it should also tell me that it can't find such course. And once I give it a valid course number, it should display a chart that shows the number of sections per year. And then for the last query, it has the same requirements. So if you click it, here are all the requests for the network. If you click it, you get another histogram with the historical averages, and you can just hover over again and see the exact numbers. And then let's say I want to query a different data set. So I'm gonna add another data set called small, and this data set only contains two courses. So I'm gonna upload it, and it should contain, yes. And then I'm gonna query this data set. And I know that this data set doesn't have computer science 310, so it should give me an error. Yes, it gave me an error. And then if I change it to a section that I know it has, such as anthropology 500, it should display a new graph for that specific query. And yes, and then if I try to query with a rooms dataset, it should also tell me that it can't find a course in rooms, and it'll just keep the graph the same as it was before. So yeah, so this is a demo of our implementation for our project. Thank you.